Now that we've reviewed the SAE levels and also the automation modes, let's take a look at the types of systems that are currently on the road. Autopilot type systems have lane keeping and adaptive cruise control, so they control steering and also distance keeping from lead vehicles. However, they're not expected to be able to deal with anything possible that can happen on the road when they're operating. Given that, Tesla Autopilot is an SAE Level 2 supervised system. Tesla Full Self-Driving is still an SAE Level 2 supervised system wrapped up in an aggressive marketing campaign. The reality is that if the car maker tells you that a driver must pay attention to driving, at best, that is an SAE Level 2 system. The Porsche Taycan is also a Level 2 supervised system, and so is Cadillac Super Cruise. There are some systems coming onto the road that are potentially higher level. The low-speed automated lane-keeping ALKS systems, which have been announced by a couple companies but have not been extensively spotted in the wild, might be SAE Level 3, and the question there is whether or not the driver is held responsible for a driving failure when the system is engaged. The Waymo robotaxis are said to operate without constant human supervision, either locally or remote, and that makes them perhaps an SAE Level 4 autonomous system.